Good morning, sir. Welcome. How are you? Mr. Habibur Rahman. Fine, thank you, sir. Say something about yourself. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Habibur Rahman. I basically from Narayanganj, but currently live in Dhaka. I did my graduation and post-graduation from Kabi Nazrul Government College, under National University. I belong to a nuclear family. My strengths are, I am self-motivated, hardworking and disciplined person. My short-time goal is to get good score in IELTS test. And my long-term goal is settled in abroad with good career. My hobbies are traveling and reading books. That's all about me. Thanks again, sir.